What's going on, everybody? I'm about to take the drastic measure of cutting my iMac stand in half. It used to be that when you purchase an iMac, you can easily take the stand off by just using a credit card at the very top of it. What you'd have to do now is you'd have to purchase the iMac with the VESA mount pre-installed, which they charge you extra for. Instead of going through all that trouble, I'm like, you know what? I love my iMac. I'm just gonna find a way to just put it on the wall myself. I purchased a wall mount that I think fits perfect for it, which is the Peerless ST630P. It also has a tilt about 15 degrees. Once you actually put it on the wall, it's actually going to be tilting upwards. So you need a mount that's going to compensate it and look straight on the wall. At least I'm hoping. Let's get to it. So this part is going to be up here. So I want to cut it right above here and use the 4 inches inside.
Mm-hmm. So you decide right there, not cut right here. No.
Right above it. So this way the circle stays and it should be just about here like this.
Sorry.
Say hi.
Hi. I'm gonna be famous.
Okay.
Yeah. So what do you think?
Yeah, let's do it.
I seriously need to get one of those.
Hey, the video, you need to make it nice.
Oh yeah.
Put music on.
Oh yeah, all that
Commercials. Okay, so we have a line.
All right.
Now.
Last chance to talk me out of it.
Mm-hmm.
There it is. Yeah, I could still use that for something.
The weight of this.
The weight of that was.
Keep it down.
Oh.
Okay. This was good material and it was hard to cut it, you see?
It's a nice cut though.
So what's next?
This.
This, right? You want it to be...
You can use that as a guide for the bottom.
Uh-huh.
Yep.
Where do you want the holes?
Inside these.
One there. One there. One here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Check.
Do you need to put?
Yeah, we're gonna do that.
Yeah. Something underneath. Oh, is it going inside of it?
Mm-hmm. You have a brush. If I do faster, it's better.
Let me hold that part. We are now going to do a test mount on this beam. How's it looking?
Perfect.
All right. Can you see on that side?
Okay, the one there.
All right. It's even more than I needed it to be. That's good. This is good. Yep. Yeah, look. Straight.
Let me see the level.
Oh, this is awesome.
You can see the line here.
Let me see. Yeah. Good work, Nelson.
Done.
Good stuff. Yes. Oh man, this is good. Now I can't wait till I finish it up at home. Sweet. I did it. You want to take it out?
Wait, what are you doing? Where are we being filmed? I was almost
This is the stand. So we cut it off. Put this on.
No, his bare hands. I didn't feel like he went, oh! I was like, yes.
This is so cool. And we tested it every day. Put it on the wall. Everything, and it comes out straight.
You're such an independent woman.
Wait, you gotta think Nelson.
Innovator. Go, Nelson.
Nelson. All right. Oh. Nelson. Yes. Thank you so much. Okay, we are back. And now it's time to put the Mac up on the wall. I've already made the necessary markings. And that's it. There you have it. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.
Now it's on?
Yeah.
On or off?
On!